This video I'm going to show you how to solve a linear equation that involves fractions. So to begin with, we have 3x over 2 is equal to 8x over 5 minus 4. Now first we just want to get rid of the fractions altogether. So in essence a fraction is division. What is the opposite of division? Multiplication. So we'll take the two denominators, 2 and 5, and we will find the smallest common denominator by both. So easily 2 and 5, that's going to be 10. So to do that, we're just going to multiply both sides by 10 to help get rid of the denominators. So we'll say 10 times 3x over 2 is equal to 10 times 8x over 5 minus 4. So now we'll want to distribute. So 10 times 3x over 2 is equal to, we'll do 10 times 8x over 5, and then 10 times negative 4 will equal negative 40. So now we want to divide out the common factors. So we'll say, okay, we can simplify this. So how many 2's are in 2? That's 1. How many 2's are in 10? So that answer is 5. So we have divided out the denominator here, the common factor. And over here, how many 5's are in 5? That is 1. How many 5's are in 10? And that is 2. So now we have 5 times 3x over 1, which is the same thing as 3x. And we have 2 times 8x over 1, which is the same thing as 8x, minus 40. So 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 15x is equal to 2 times 8 is 16. 16x minus 40. So from here, we want to solve for x. So we need to get x, all of the x's on one side and the numbers on the other. That's going to be rather simple because we have x on the left and x on the right, but we also have a number on the right. So the numbers are already on one side and one x is already on the other. Let's just get the other x over to that side as well. So it's being added. It's a positive number. So we want to do the opposite of positive, which is negative. So we'll subtract 16x, canceling that out, minus 16x will give us negative 1x is equal to negative 40. Now we'll want to have, so I'll write this a little bigger, is equal to negative 40. We want to have x by itself. So whatever is being done to x, we want to do the opposite. It's being multiplied by negative 1. So we will divide by negative 1. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Cancels that out and gives us x by itself. Negative divided by negative is a positive. So 40 divided by 1 will be 40. So it's positive 40. Again, we want to take the value that we found for x, plug it back into the original equation to make sure that we got the answer correct. So we will say the original equation, 3x over 2 is equal to 8x over 5 minus 4. Anywhere there is an x, we'll plug in the value that we found. So 3 times 40 over 2 is supposed to be equal to 8 times 40 divided by 5 and then subtracting 4. So 3 times 40 is 120 divided by 2 is equal to 8 times 40, which is 320, divided by 5, and then subtracted by 4. 120 divided by 2 is 60. 320 divided by 5 is 64 minus 4. So that is going to give us 64 minus 4 is 60. So both sides are equal. We know we have the answer correct.